Welcome to Money Tweaks, the channel where we decode the smartest money strategies and passive income hacks to build your wealth one tweak at a time. In this video, we're diving into the best passive income ideas for beginners in 2025. Simple, realistic, and powerful. Whether you want to earn extra cash or build a long-term financial freedom, these ideas are beginner-friendly and scalable. Let's jump in. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains a top passive income strategy in 2025. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys using your special link, you earn a commission. No need to create your own products, no shipping, no customer service. You can start by creating a blog, a YouTube channel, or even TikTok or Instagram reels around a specific niche, like tech gadgets, self-improvement, fitness, or books. Use platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, or Digistore24. Pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva to speed up content creation and scale faster. 2. Selling digital products. If you're good at design, writing, or organization, you can create digital products once and sell them over and over again. Think ebooks, printable planners, Notion templates, Canva templates, or even stock music. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip make it easy to set up a digital storefront. Light: you don't need to be an expert. You can use templates and AI tools to help create high-quality products. 3. Investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Want to invest in real estate without buying property? REITs allow you to earn dividends from real estate companies that own and manage income-generating properties. You can invest in REITs through apps like Robinhood, Webull, or Fidelity, even with just $10. It's a great way to earn passive income while your money grows through appreciation and monthly or quarterly dividends. 4. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. It may not sound flashy, but putting your money into high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, can generate passive income safely. In 2025, some online banks are offering over 4% APY. That means your money earns money while you sleep, without any risk. Light: combine this with other income strategies as your emergency or savings buffer. 5. Print-on-demand stores. Start a store selling custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or tote bags without ever touching inventory. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring handle printing, shipping, and fulfillment. You just upload your designs and set your price. Every time someone buys, you earn passive profit. You can even connect it with Etsy or Shopify for more reach. 6. Create an online course. If you know how to do something, anything, you can teach it. Record a course once and sell it forever on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Courses about productivity, personal finance, Excel, language learning, or even hobbies like photography are always in demand. Light: don't worry about professional filming. Many successful courses are made with simple screen recordings or slideshows with voiceovers. 7. YouTube automation channels. You don't even have to be on camera to earn from YouTube. You can create faceless YouTube channels using stock footage, voiceovers, and AI tools. Pick a niche like finance, tech, history, or motivation. Once a video is up, it can earn passive income from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Light: use tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Descript to create videos faster with text-to-speech or voice cloning features. 8. Licensing your content or music. If you create content, photos, or music, you can license them to others and get paid every time someone uses it. Upload your work to Pond5, Audio Jungle, Shutterstock, or Storyblocks. For musicians, you can even earn royalties through platforms like DistroKid or Sounddrop every time your music streams on Spotify or YouTube. There you have it, 8 beginner-friendly passive income ideas you can start in 2025. Some may take a little time to build, but remember, once it's set up, it can pay you over and over again. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money tweak. Thanks for tuning in to Money Tweaks, where smart money meets simple strategy. Until next time, keep tweaking and keep earning.